time for a Columbia Carousel ride.
Welcome to Columbia Carousel. Now that the ride is in motion, there is no switching of animals.
We're up on the top shelf.
Seated with your seatbelt fastened. There's no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping during the ride. Please remain forward facing as riding backwards and side saddle is not permitted. Enjoy your ride.
Get a nice view here of the Carousel Plaza in the area.
Time to go faster.
Oh no!
Sit back, relax, and you have 2 minutes and 40 seconds to rest.
Yes. Nice and relaxing. It's hot. What is it, like 80? Yeah. Nice to finally get back on Columbia Carousel after it was closed opening weekend. We get a little more time to rest. Okay, see you later.